Okay, board meeting. We're going to take this old school Bloomington tonight. Those of you from this area from the 80s will remember, perhaps on public television, we're tipping our hat to J&B on the Rocks, which was a show
about drinking.
About drinking. What was their motto?
Pour it all in.
No, it was a show teaching you how to make a variety of mixed drinks.
Responsibly?
Responsibly? Something like that. I know I'm messing it up. Comment, whatever. Bloomington people know what I'm talking about. We're going to make this one easy. We're doing margaritas. This is how we make them at home. Tip of the hat to Nathan Simmons. Squeezing limes sucks. I don't know how you do that all day. You're the man.
Gloves.
Gloves. Yeah. Anyway.
Where do you find gloves?
Shaker full of ice. Fresh squeezed lime juice. Gonna make a double, right?
You want me to zoom on this?
Figure it out.
I'm helping.
She's helping. I know you're supposed to use both sides of the jigger, but it's my show. Whatever. Equal parts. Fresh squeezed lime juice.
It's my show, and it's a no-nonsense show.
That's right. It's a no-nonsense show. Right? Painful. I'm not a professional bartender. I've not traded in my amateur status. Not the tequila I wanted, but we're making do with what we got. It'll be fine. If not, drink it anyway.
Is that bad tequila?
No.
Okay.
Just drink
The
it.
only bad tequila is the kind that...
The burns?
No, when you don't have any. That's the only bad tequila.
Just drink it.
I've had some bad tequila.
No, you didn't have bad tequila. You drank too
Please.
much tequila. There's a big
Please,
difference.
intrigue us.
So anyway, equal parts of lime juice, Cointreau, and tequila. Shaken over ice.
What do you want to shake?
Shake it. I gotta shake it. Hold that on. It'll make a mess.
Figure it out.
While she's doing that,
Well, this is bad.
chill your glasses, right?
This is bad. This is better.
Okay. Give me that. Amateurs, dude. Give me that. Okay. So if I do this right, like martinis, there's gotta be a thin layer of ice on top of the glass. Right? Alright. Come in close, Luke. See if we can get that.
I got it on Zoom.
Right? There's one. Alright, Nate, if you're looking, I want you to look at that. That's perfect pour, brother. No waste.
You're not wearing your shirt.
Ice chilling on top. I'll do it next time. All right. Ladies first. Let's go. Get them up. Get them up.
Cheers.
Right?
Don't spill.
So you're the one tipping.
Be careful. These are very
Cheers.
delicious.
Is that how you do that?
The only thing I didn't do was put salt on the rim of the glass. It's optional.
Mom, what is that face?
They're a bit tart, but they're
Tart.
fantastic. And they're martini glasses because they're similar to a martini. You should probably only have one, maybe two. They hit hard.
Are you
Probably
gonna
best enjoyed singularly.
one bite score it?
No, I'm not going to one bite. I'd give that a 9 just on principle.
It's a
It's
rookie.
my favorite.
That's a rookie score.
Other than Nate's margaritas in Pensacola, Florida.
Listen to you suck
Find
up.
that guy. I'm not sucking up to that guy. I spent enough money buying booze that guy's hand shaking. I can say whatever I want about that guy.
I'm just kidding.
I'll wear my shirt next time, Nate.
This is
Damn, those are good.
what, K&B on the rocks?
Yeah. So K&B on the rocks.
And I do what I do best.
Nothing.
Stand here.
Looks hot.
Not look at the
That's your
camera.
job. So anyway, that's what we got. Bottoms up, kids. Have a good Saturday.